making waves and aiming high, carving out time and weaving bright futures, working together and lighting the way, reaching for the sky with our feet on the ground. Journey to Canada for TUFH 2022, an international, intersectoral, and intergenerational conference connecting global health to local health and exploring wellness through people and places. Ignite and share your passion to advance equity and well-being for all. Connect with other health scholars, professionals, advocates, and community members from around the world. Find inspiration through First Nations, Métis, and Inuit ways of knowing and being, and experience the strength and resilience of local communities and partnerships. We believe in the power of relationships to inspire, to innovate, to improve health for all people around the world and in our communities. So come learn, teach, and build a better world. The Network Towards Unity for Health Conference, August 2022, in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada.